Horses are known to snore. Even ponies in My Little Pony. But you don't expect to hear a horse snore as he's being rescued from falling into a pool.
1, 2, 3.
Stormy is an Arabian stallion who's allowed to roam the backyard.
Come on, Stormy, are you coming to play the game?
At this home in Mesa, Arizona, no one saw him fall into the pool, but the grandson of Stormy's owner heard the splash, and then the horse began to thrash.
His head would bang against the deck, and I mean, we're talking hard.
He's just completely freaking out.
He's freaking out.
Mark Branham says they called 911, and when the Mesa Fire Department arrived,
that was probably the most interesting horse call I have ever been on.
They called a vet to tranquilize the horse and managed to get his head onto the deck. It was a close call for Stormy, according to the vet.
When he took his temperature, he said, "That is the coldest I've ever seen a living horse."
92 degrees, 100 is normal.
1, 2, 3. There you go. Yeah, boys.
All right, now what?
But the rescue was a snooze, at least for the horse.
Okay, let's go that way.
He snored through the whole thing, even when they dragged him across the lawn.
Now he's asleep.
He's sleeping like a puppy dog.
Despite his traumatic 2-hour dip in the pool, Stormy has recovered.
The sweetest, most gentle horse, and we're so glad he's all right.
Stormy,
That's a big deal.
That's why when you go, just
now known for snoring up a storm. Ginny Mo, CNN,
He says, "Get my good side."
New York.
But, yeah, he's got some gout.